When we drop a ball, it falls to the ground. We all know that this happens because of gravity, which is a force that attracts a body towards the center of Earth. But why does the ball bounce and how much should it bounce? This depends on 4 parameters. Number 1, height. Higher the height, higher is the potential energy stored in the ball. When it is dropped, potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy. When it hits the ground exerts equal force back on the ball, which is why it bounces. Higher height will result in higher bounce. Number 2, force. If you take 2 balls and drop them from the same height, the ball which is dropped with additional force will bounce higher than the ball which is simply dropped. Reason: the ball dropped with force has more kinetic energy than the ball which is simply dropped. Number 3, surface. If you take 2 balls and drop them without force or with same force on 2 different surfaces, hard and soft, then the ball falling on the harder surface will bounce higher than the ball falling on softer surface. Reason: harder surface absorbs less kinetic energy from the ball, thereby more remaining in the ball to bounce higher. Number 4, ball material. The more elastic the material, higher the bounce, which is why a rubber ball will bounce more than a wooden ball or a plastic ball. So now you know the bouncy ball.